In this video, we're going to take a look at messaging your instructor within WAMAP. If you are taking an assignment, I'll go into this one that's past due, but you can do a similar thing on assignments that haven't yet passed their due date. You might have message instructor about this question. If you're messaging your instructor about a specific homework problem, this is the best way to do it. Do it through the actual assignment question. You can click on that and it will put that question in here, and then above that line, go ahead and write out what you tried, what the difficulty in understanding what the question's asking might be. Give your instructor some sense of what you tried or what the specific difficulty is with the problem, and then you can hit send there, or rather down below. If you wanted to message your instructor and it wasn't about a specific homework problem, there is off to the side in the left navigation bar, you can click on messages there, and then you can send a new message. So this you would use if it's not about a specific homework question, but maybe something more general. Your instructor may or may not have given you the option to contact other students within the course, but you should be able to contact your instructor no matter how they've set up the messages. So I could go through and title this. If I am entering on any kind of message and I want to insert some mathy stuff, like let's say I wrote out this question, I wanted to give an example to my instructor, I can hit the backtick button on my standard keyboard, the button next to the 1, or you can press this sigma plus, and either way, it'll bring up this red box where you can enter math stuff in the same way that you would type out mathematical notation in a WAMAP answer box inside of a homework or something. And then once you move outside of the box, that will display the way you would typically read it. It does show up a little bit fuzzy looking here, but once that message is sent, it sort of renders a little more crisply. So once you've created the message that you want to send to your instructor, then you can go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and hit send message. If you get a response back from your instructor, you'll be able to see it here in messages, but if you go back to the main course or next time you log in and you're on the main course page, you'll be able to see responses kind of like I have here from my forum. It will give me a red tag next to it saying that I've got a new message, and then I could go and see my instructor's response there. So that's using messages within WAMAP.